Welcome back to Doggone RV'n. For those that are still with us after my last video, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for having faith and a belief in this channel. I guess I'll start right off with the main thing, and that is I no longer have Ember with me. That was my big decision. I was going over in my head for, well, it's been at least a month or so, trying to really get down and being honest with myself going forward. When my last two dogs passed away within 9 months of each other, I was destroyed emotionally. And I thought I could get two dogs and repeat the wonderful time I had with my last two over the last 15 years that they were with me. And I got the Irish Setter first, and then I got the Border Collie a year later. And it was just eating at me because I had always promised myself that the Border Collie would be the last dog I ever owned once my last two passed away. But I found myself in such a deep pit of despair. I wanted another dog now. And the first dog from the breeders that came up with the Irish Setter. And so I got her. And things were going fine. But then she was just a lot like the last Irish Setter I had. Kind of aloof and would be real cuddly with you, and then just do her own thing too. And then I got the Border Collie, and that dog was just like my last collie. You know, it was with me all the time, followed me around, was more a part of me than the Irish Setter. And I just fell into a depression. And then I had to start getting real serious with myself, you know. Can I go another 15 years, which would put me almost close to 90, with two dogs? And I had to really kind of beat myself up to admit that, no, I've got some old injuries that are showing up with age that would make it even worse going forward into my late 70s, early 80s with both dogs. You know, Spirit the collie would be fine, but Ember is just really high power. So once I admitted to myself one had to go, I decided it would be the one with much, much more energy, and that would be Ember. So I contacted the English Setter Club, the Irish Setter Club here in Washington, to find her a vetted home someplace with people that had good dogs, English Setters, Irish Setters, dogs that would be able to handle her energy and play with her, and a home that would love her and take care of her like I had. And it happened a little sooner than I thought, but it was great. And now Ember is still in the Northwest here, but she's in a very nice home. People have acreage all fenced in, and they have other dogs, and she's just joined the group and is just having a great time there. So that makes me feel so much better. Now, going forward, I have Spirit and that kind of changes the direction of this channel altogether. Now it's just Spirit and me. And having one dog instead of two that were pulling me in two different directions, now it's a lot more stable. And I think with just Spirit, we'll be doing a whole lot more. And it's going to be a lot easier going forward. So what's going on with this channel now? We are going to focus on the Pacific Northwest, and that's Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Those are going to be the main places for our adventures going forward. There's a hell of a lot out here to show you people. In this little area of the Pacific Northwest, we have everything you'd find in the entire United States. We have volcanoes, we have canyons, we have deserts, we have an ocean, we have inland seas, we have, all kinds of stuff, you know. Whatever you can find in the rest of the United States, it's all up here. It's like they made everything up here first, and then they spread them out. So, going forward, my channel is going to be concentrating on showing you guys the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. From the coast to the Rocky Mountains, and from, say, the border here, California, going across into British Columbia, Alberta, and Canada. And that's going to increase a lot of things to see. So I'm excited about that. This is our new focus, our new direction for this channel. Hopefully this will attract more viewers that want to find out what's going on up here. What is there to see, you know? It's a beautiful, beautiful area up here. We've got rainforests. We've got some of the biggest mountains in the United States up here. And we've got major rivers up here coming out of the Cascades, the Olympics. It's just the heart of the Northwest, in the heart of the West, I think. So I hope you guys will stay with us, travel with us, and watch Spirit grow into a fine young dog. And we're anxious and excited about all we can show you up in the area that we live in and are familiar with. There's ghost towns and just a multitude of things. Like I said, everything you can find anywhere else in the United States can be found right up here in this corner of the U.S. And our goal going forward is to show you what those are. So, well, Ember's in a brand new home, doing fine. I get videos from him. Spirit is in the dog groomers, getting all that desert dust and stuff out of her, and hairs trimmed, and getting a spa day, as I call it, for her. So she'll come home probably cleaner than she's been in 6 months. And then I got to sit down and get to work. I got to plan out what I want to do over the next, say, 6 months, going into the spring, summer, and next fall. I've got to clean this place up. It looks like a dust bomb was dropped in here. And then the yard looked like the damn gophers, while we were gone, had a war and were shooting mortars at each other, because it's just a destroyed backyard. I don't know what's in the dirt out here, but hopefully I can kill what's out there that they're eating. And when I'm able to level it again, and I hope reseed it, there won't be anything out there for the damn gophers to eat. So, yeah, I got my work cut out for me in the next several months to allow Spirit and I to just get the hell out of here and go for a weekend or a 3-day trip here, or a week at the most, because I ain't doing any of them damn 4-month, 6-month trips anymore. That's crap. And after a while, it doesn't become fun. I'll say that. So I think with just one dog, it's going to be a whole lot easier. Right now, I'm working with my RV shop that I've had for 10 years, doing all the work on my RV, building it up. We're discussing how to put Starlink on the roof, wire it up so it all works, and the other changes I want done. Of course, there's some repairs because the pups, being just a year or less old on this last trip, their first big trip, they did some damage to the interior of my RV that my older dogs never did. So I've got a whole lot of things I'm balancing, trying to get done in a meaningful, affordable way. So I hope all you guys will stick it out with us. We're going in a brand new direction. One dog down, but she's in a happier home. And I got Spirit, who is excited because now she's got all of my attention. And she's really liking that. She doesn't have to share me with another dog. So, oh gosh, yeah. So with that being said, I thank everyone that stuck with us over this 6-month trip, and I hope you guys will continue to be with us as we take off in this new direction and a new purpose. So I hope you'll continue to comment on our videos if you watch them. If you watch them and you don't comment or don't want to comment, at least give us a thumbs up. You know, let us know somebody out there is watching them and is getting something out of them, you know. I just don't know what it is with people today. They don't have anything to say. They watch things and I don't know, either it goes right past them or they absolutely have nothing to say. Good, bad, indifferent, you know. No communication. No communication. That's what sucks about the modern world. It's not face to face. It's not a phone call. It's just like watching TV. No connection. But I hope that's different with my channel going forward. I appreciate all of you guys that have been with us, that take the time and the mental ability to actually respond and let us know what you think, you know. Have you been to places we've been that you watch on our videos? What did you think? What was it like there? You know, just let us know that the people out there watching our videos have similar experiences, or maybe you saw it when it was brand new, or maybe you saw it now and know it's gone to hell. You know, just let us know, okay? Well, I'm babbling again. I see the clock's going way up there. And I'll just say thank you for watching. And Spirit and I hope you guys will continue watching us as we take off on this new trajectory for our dog travel channel. Thank you again. And take care.